A swap in Forex refers to the interest earned or paid for keeping a trade open overnight. There are two kinds of swaps: swap long for buy positions and swap short for sell positions. Both swap values are expressed in pips per lot and are included in the contract specifications of every trading instrument. For example, a trader opens one standard lot sell position on eurusd on Thursday and closes it on Friday. If another trader opens one standard lot buy Y position on Thursday and closes it on the following Tuesday, if the position remains open until the following Thursday, it accumulates this 7 overnight swaps. Weekend swaps are applied on Wednesdays. Trip 3 tick. For example, a trader opens a sell position on Monday and closes it on Thursday. Wednesday includes the weekend adjustment. Now you know how Forex swaps work. Until next time, trade wisely.
Forex and CFD trading involves substantial risk. It may not be suitable for every investor. Never trade with money you cannot afford to lose.
Please like and subscribe.